In this video, I tell you 5 best home remedies to lose weight fast at home without exercise. Number 1 is green tea. Add a teaspoon of green tea to a cup of hot water. Steam for 5 to 7 minutes and strain. Add a little honey to the warm tea and consume immediately. Number 2 is lemon and honey. Add the juice of half a lemon to a glass of warm water. Mix well and add 2 teaspoons of honey to it. Drink the solution instantly. Number 3 is aloe vera juice. Aloe vera juice can help reduce body weight with its powerful metabolic activities. It also aids digestion and reduces inflammatory responses within your body, which facilitate weight loss. Number 4 is garlic. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons of grated garlic to all dishes. You can also directly chew on garlic cloves if you can withstand the strong flavor. Number 5 is ginger tea. Add a teaspoon of grated ginger to a cup of hot water. Steam for 7 minutes and strain. Add a little honey to the ginger tea and mix well. Drink it before it turns cold.